Welcome back to Luxury Motorhome, and prepare to have your idea of road travel completely shattered. Today we're not reviewing a motorhome. We're reviewing a rolling 2-story panoramic mansion, the 2026 Auraglass Odyssey. This is a conceptual vision that takes luxury travel into the stratosphere, combining the functionality of a truck chassis with the architectural elegance of a modern skyscraper. Let's begin, as always, with the exterior. The Auraglass Odyssey is a statement, a bold, futuristic chrome and glass behemoth that dominates the road. Its entire body, from the upper deck to the main living level, is encased in what appears to be a seamless, curved, panoramic glass shell, accented by sleek, polished chrome framing. This isn't just a window. It's a structural element designed to offer an uninterrupted 360-degree view of the world passing by, truly living up to the Odyssey name. The double-decker profile is striking, reminiscent of a luxury yacht translated onto a commercial truck platform, giving it an imposing yet graceful presence. Notice the subtle aerodynamic curves and the way the metallic silver bodywork gleams in the sunlight, reflecting the stunning mountain backdrop. The running gear is equally substantial, featuring a multi-axle configuration on the motorhome body itself, riding on massive, deep-dish alloy wheels designed not just for aesthetics, but to handle the immense weight of this opulent structure. Up top, you can even spot discrete roof elements, perhaps solar panels and a hidden HVAC system, hinting at self-sufficiency. The overall impression is one of unparalleled, almost sci-fi luxury, a vehicle that demands attention and redefines the open road experience. Now, let's step inside, though. Step inside hardly does justice to entering this mobile penthouse. The interior is immediately defined by an incredible sense of light and space, thanks to that floor-to-ceiling panoramic glass. The lower level, visible through the expansive windows, functions as a high-end main lounge and dining area. The aesthetic is contemporary, using a palette of sophisticated grays and muted tones in plush fabrics and high-end finished wood paneling. The seating arrangements, which look like custom modular sofas, are positioned perfectly to enjoy the view, turning every mile into a cinematic experience. You can easily imagine a full-service, fully equipped kitchen tucked away just beyond the lounge, utilizing smart, integrated appliances and perhaps a marble countertop that would feel right at home in a million-dollar condo. The double-decker nature means this isn't a cramped RV, it's a true multi-level residence. The upper deck, undoubtedly reached by a sleek hidden spiral staircase or even a compact elevator, would house the master suite. Picture a bedroom with a view that shifts from sun-drenched mountain passes at sunset to a blanket of stars at night. A true stargazer's retreat. Details like ambient strip lighting, integrated smart home control panels for everything from climate to privacy glass tinting, and acoustic dampening to ensure a whisper-quiet ride, would be non-negotiable in a vehicle of this caliber. It's an interior designed not just for travel, but for living, luxuriously and completely untethered. Moving to performance. Since this vehicle is an imagined concept, we must speculate on an engine worthy of its scale and ambition. The Auraglass Odyssey would require a powertrain capable of hauling a double-decker luxury structure up the steep mountain roads seen in the image, all while providing the smooth, quiet ride expected of a high-end dwelling. We envision a state-of-the-art hybrid diesel-electric powertrain. This system would utilize a massive, high-torque, turbocharged diesel engine for long-distance cruising and uphill power, complemented by a substantial electric motor system providing instant torque and silent, zero-emission maneuvering in urban or park settings. This combination would likely deliver north of 750 horsepower and a colossal amount of torque, managed through an advanced, multi-speed automatic transmission. Crucially, the chassis and suspension would be revolutionary. Think a fully adaptive air suspension system with automatic leveling, crosswind stability assist, and dynamic damping control to iron out road imperfections. This ensures that a glass of fine wine placed on the table remains steady, even when traversing rugged terrain. The performance isn't about speed. It's about robust, reliable, and utterly comfortable power delivery. Finally, we address the question everyone asks: the price. Considering the custom-built nature, the extensive use of panoramic, likely specialized insulated safety glass, the dual-level luxury residential fit-out, and the advanced hybrid commercial chassis required to support it, the Auraglass Odyssey would reside in the ultra-exclusive mega yacht on wheels category. While an exact price is impossible for a concept, if something like this were to enter limited production, We would estimate its starting price to be comfortably in the range of $2.5 million to $3.5 million USD, depending on final specifications and customization. This is a machine for the few. For those who want to take their penthouse on the road with no compromise on view, luxury, or technological capability. It's not a motorhome. It's a mobile legacy. So what do you think of the 2026 Auraglass Odyssey? Is this the future of high-end travel? Does the panoramic two-story design make you want to sell your house and hit the open road? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more exclusive reviews of the world's most incredible luxury vehicles, and ring the notification bell so you never miss a journey with Luxury Motorhome. Until next time, keep dreaming big and keep exploring.